Stridor is caused by partial obstruction in the large airways that result in turbulent airflow in respiratory passage. Stridor is a high-pitched monophonic sound and is usually loud that it can be heard even without stethoscope. The most common cause for acute stridor is croup, while for chronic is laryngomalacia. Extrathoracic obstruction causes expiratory stridor, while intrathoracic obstruction will cause inspiratory stridor. Biphasic stridor can occur if both areas are obstructed. So causes for stridor for the upper part of the respiratory airway can be due to choanal atresia, adenoid hypertrophy, tonsillar hypertrophy like in infectious mononucleosis, macroglossia secondary to angioedema due to allergic reaction, amyloidosis, or Ludwig's angina. So this is the structure that shows larynx and and the epiglottis anteriorly. If we see from above, like the cut section, it shows a tongue, epiglottis, vocal cords, and arytenoid cartilage. This is the usual view that we see during intubation. So if inflammation of this area due to anaphylaxis can cause acute stridor and should be treated as emergency with IM adrenaline. So the causes for stridor from the laryngopharynx like laryngomalacia. This is due to intrinsic deficit in the maturation of laryngeal structure that causes flaccid of the structure. We can see there's omega sign that shows partial obstruction during inspiration. Other causes are like laryngeal web and also vocal cord paralysis, in which the vocal cords are unable to open during phonation. Croup causes both obstruction, so it causes biphasic stridor, usually in 1 to 3 years old, and the common causative organism is parainfluenza, RSV, or influenza virus. The child usually will have URTI, mild fever, barking cough, inspiratory stridor, and hoarseness of voice. Management is with a steroid, which is dexamethasone, 0.15 milligram per kilogram, usually in mild cases, and in moderate to severe we can give NAP adrenaline, 0.5 ml per kilo, 1 in 1,000. We can also give NAP budesonide 2 mg stat or 1 mg BD, depending on the severity. So for acute epiglottitis, it's caused by Haemophilus influenza type B. Usually will affect to a child with age 2 to 7 years old. The child will have a viral prodrome symptoms like fever or dinophagia, muffled sound, and drooling with mouth open and tongue protruded. Stridor is usually a late sign. In this case, we have to prophylactically intubate the child and should call ENT backup. NAP adrenaline is to buy time, and we should start IV antibiotics. This showed a structure of the trachea in relation to the esophagus. So these are the causes for inspiratory stridor, which is bacterial tracheitis, tracheomalacia, and tracheoesophageal fistula. Other than that, inhaled foreign body can also cause stridor. It can be inspiratory, expiratory, or both.